The best way that I've found to gain confidence as an artist is hard to do because it seems too easy to actually work. Hi, my fellow artists. I'm Anna and I'm a painter. I'm part of a group called the Fellowship of Catholic Artists, which I founded, and I'm amazed that more than half of the artists who enter the group say, I'm not a real artist. I think what they mean is that they don't have a full-time career in art. If you have that thought as well, I'm not a real artist, then I'm going to tell it to you straight. You're wrong. I used to be afraid to tell people I was an artist because it wasn't my full-time job. It was just a hobby done on the side, even very sporadically. But I learned that being an artist is more than having a job painting commissions or having my work in galleries. Being an artist is about more than what we do, especially in a professional sense. It's about who we are. Before I started selling my work on a website, I was an artist. Before I started a YouTube channel doing art demos, I was an artist. Before I did a gallery show or took art classes in college, I was an artist. Even way back when I colored pictures with crayons as a child, I was an artist. The famous quote from Pablo Picasso, every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist when he grows up. And in his letter to artists, John Paul II talks about how the artist is the image of God, the creator, when he says, none can sense more deeply than you artists, ingenious creators of beauty that you are, something of the pathos with which God at the dawn of creation looked upon the work of his hands. He also says, not all are called to be artists in the specific sense of the term, yet as Genesis has it, all men and women are entrusted with the task of crafting their own life. In a certain sense, they are to make of it a work of art, a masterpiece. Probably most of you watching this video love to create. You feel more authentic and excited about life when you're making something. And that's a deep part of our personalities, part of the way that God made us. That's the part of us that's an artist. We can do various things with that. We can dabble and enjoy hobbies. We can use part of that creativity in our other work. For me, that is as a wife and a mother, homeschooler of my children. Or we can professionalize our art by turning it into something that makes money. Regardless of whether we are professional artists, amateurs, hobbyists, or just children, we are artists. Own it. So, do you agree with what I've said, but you would still feel like an imposter telling someone that you're an artist? One concrete action step you can take to boost your confidence in being an artist is simply to tell somebody out loud when you meet them or someone that you already know and you're getting to know better, to tell them that you are an artist without any kind of apology. Just say it out like you can even start just saying it in the mirror. Hi, I'm Anna, I'm an artist. Say it to someone you meet. Here it is. The best way that I have found to gain confidence as an artist, do art every day. Even something very quick and simple, such as drawing in a sketchbook for 5 minutes. Whatever art form you practice and enjoy, playing music, writing poetry, painting, whatever it is, do at least a little bit every day. You will be surprised, you will be amazed how just the daily consistency of you doing some art builds the image of yourself and helps you actually believe, this is what I do, this is who I am. So artists make art. So if you want to be an artist, just make some art. It seems so simple, but the reason it is hard to do is because we oftentimes as artists get blocked and we get hung up and we procrastinate things and we have fears and doubts. If you are fighting artist block right now, it is no joke. I've been through the battle many times and I am sorry you're feeling so frozen up. This video is for you and I hope that it may help to jumpstart your breakthrough. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, show me by giving a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And what are your ways to gain self-confidence as an artist? Would you please share them with the rest of us down in the comments below? And I'd love to see your name pop up as a new subscriber so we can have some more chats in the future and help encourage each other, inspire each other, build each other up as artists. Take care, God bless, and I will see you next time.